Is your Tesla Model 3 not displaying other cars and objects on the screen? This is often related to camera issues, autopilot calibration, or software glitches. Don't worry, we'll guide you through the common causes and fixes. The Tesla Model 3 uses 8 cameras to create a 360-degree view around the car, feeding data to the autopilot system. If these cameras are misaligned, dirty, or malfunctioning, visualizations will fail. This could also occur if the software is not up to date. We'll address all of these possibilities. Start with the basics. Clean all 8 camera lenses thoroughly. Dirt or debris can significantly reduce detection accuracy. Then, use the Tesla app to run a camera health check. This diagnostic tool can identify specific camera issues, giving you error codes like cam calib fail if recalibration is needed. Also ensure Sentry mode is enabled while performing system restarts. This can help refresh the camera calibrations. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that improve object detection and fix visualization glitches. Make sure your Model 3 is running the latest firmware, version 2025.12 or higher. These updates often include AI-driven enhancements to Tesla's neural networks, improving how the car interprets its surroundings. According to Tesla's metrics, recent FSD updates have improved object detection accuracy by 15 to 20% in low-light conditions. The first step in power cycling is to park your Model 3. Make sure the vehicle is safely parked in a secure location before proceeding. Next, enable Sentry mode on your Model 3. This security feature helps protect your vehicle and is part of the power cycle procedure. Finally, perform a full system restart using the touchscreen controls on the center console. This refreshes all systems, including camera calibrations. Power cycling is effective because it clears temporary software glitches that may interfere with object detection. By restarting the system, it refreshes camera calibrations and can eliminate minor errors that prevent cars from appearing on your screen. This is a quick and easy first step that resolves many common issues. If software solutions don't work, a hardware problem might be the cause. Faulty ultrasonic sensors, especially in older Model 3 vehicles, can interfere with camera visualizations by creating false readings or blind spots. Tesla issued a voluntary recall in Q3 2025 to replace faulty ultrasonic sensors in some Model 3 units, addressing issues where sensors interfered with proper camera visualizations. Blown fuses in the camera module can prevent proper power delivery, leading to failures in object detection and visualization on the screen. In these cases, schedule a service appointment with Tesla to have certified technicians diagnose and repair the hardware components. Tesla is increasingly relying on AI-centric fixes for visualization problems. They are investing in end-to-end neural networks that reduce dependence on traditional sensors. These neural networks process data from cameras and other inputs to accurately detect objects without heavy reliance on radar or ultrasonic sensors. By 2026, most Model 3 fixes are software-based, delivered through over-the-air updates that improve detection algorithms. Future updates aim for zero-touch calibrations, where vehicles automatically adjust using satellite data and machine learning to maintain accurate visualizations. Tesla also plans to enhance cameras to achieve LiDAR-like capabilities, providing detailed depth perception without additional hardware.